Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. Today we are diving into a future of email management with brand new Microsoft Outlook in Microsoft 365. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to world of sleek and groundbreaking features. And the best part is if you are not quite ready to make the leap, switching back is also a breeze. But trust me, you might not want it to. So let's see how this new Outlook look like. For that, let's jump into our computer screen and then here let me press menu button and then let's type Outlook. If you have not enabled new Outlook, the old Outlook like this. And then generally the problem we face with old Outlook is that whenever we have got too many email, it start creating issues in terms of sometime searching very late. But with this new Outlook, you will see lot of your problem will get resolved. Let me click here on turn on this new Outlook, and then here we can see another prompt. Let's click on switch and then it will restart back to new Outlook. So this is the way how this new Outlook look like. And then I would say this is much more integrated, much more responsive than previous one. It gives you a feeling of, let's say, you are using online variant of Microsoft Outlook. But I would say it is much more powerful and efficient than ever. For example, let's click here on new email. Here you will see a very clean layout with new features. But let's say you would like to have all the feature setting as it was before. Then you can click here on this right hand down arrow and then you can from here choose for classic ribbon. There we go. Now you will see more of traditional look, and on the left hand side you will see, as I was saying, that your Microsoft Office 365 apps are more connected. You click on Word, the Word will get opened. You click on Excel, you will able to open Excel. And if you click on more app, here you will find more Office 365 related apps there. Let's also explore how we can add signature in this new Outlook and also see how the new options look like. For that, let's click here on the setting button and then here we can see the signature option is here. We can also create automatic reply if needed, and then we can add our email account. So all these settings I would say are as it was, with better UI and better appearance. Even I would say the experience of setting up meetings is also improved. Meeting and appointment also got converted to event. For example, let's say you would like to set up a meeting here. So you can simply go here and then click on event. You can also see the availability of all the invitees that you would like to invite. And this interface really look nice, guys. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.